Okay, here is another Trane air conditioner at that hotel that has at Grand Aire, that Trane right there, and that Lennox over there, and then there's a Quietside ductless unit over there on the side, and there's another Trane in the front that I'm about to go film after this. I don't believe you can get back to the data sheet. I'm trying. Just disconnect. Oh, you can, and here's the energy guide. It's a 13 SEER, 7.7 HSPF. So this is, I believe, a heat pump. I believe that's what that means if it's HSPF. I think, yeah, heat pump. 2013, 5-ton. Okay, anyways, well, there you go. Another Trane. Anyways, over and out. Okay, here is that other Trane that I was talking about right here. It's a 13 SEER. I can see it's 7.7 HSPF. I can't really get back to it. It's a Lennox. I'm more interested in this Trane. Anyways.